Introduction to protected branches in Git.
This is important to secure important areas of your code base, such as the main or production branch, by setting branch protection rules and ensure only reviewed, tested code is merged. This is an essential practice for teams who want to maintain software quality and collaboration standards.
Why use protected branches?
With protected branches, you can block direct updates, force passing test checks, and require approvals before merging. This approach reduces errors, prevents accidental overwrites, and improves accountability. It helps maintain a stable project and ensures that only trusted changes reach your main code base.
How to protect a branch in GitHub.
To protect a branch in GitHub, go to your repository settings, then select Branches. Click Add Rule and choose a branch like Main. Enable options like Require Pull Request Reviews before merging and any other rules you prefer. Save your changes to activate branch protection.
Enforcing code reviews.
Enforcing code reviews means every change must be checked by one or more team members before merging. In your branch protection rules, enable Require Pull Request Reviews. You can specify the number of approvals required and optionally demand review from designated code owners or specific teams.
Best practices for branch protection.
Combine protected branches with clear review requirements, required status checks, and up-to-date branch policies. Regularly review your settings to match your team's workflow. By following these best practices, you ensure high code quality, better collaboration, and a safer, more reliable software project.